Welcome to the presentation of Vizrt Trio 3.0. My name is Rudi Brunner and I'm going to demonstrate the new page list view in Trio. We renewed the page list view in Trio with main focus on improving the performance. To demonstrate this, I open a show with 10,000 elements. This used to be an operation that took several minutes, but with a new page list that has been optimized for large shows, this is now rather a matter of seconds. So now you see that after a couple of seconds, this very large show is now operable. But we have also improved some other things in the page list. To demonstrate this, I switch back to the original show. For example, we have moved the activation-deactivation control from the status bar up here to the toolbar. We have improved a little bit the search functionality, like if I now search for Italy, it immediately jumps to the element that matches the search. And one very powerful new feature is the filter functionality. So here, for example, I have set up two filters, one I call channel B, which only shows the element that are supposed to play out on channel B. And when I switch back to no filter, then I see all the elements. Or for example, if I want to see only the elements that match the term weather, then I only see the weather section in my show. You can define filters for virtually any column in the page view. So this is a very flexible tool to restrict what you see in the page list. One closely related feature that we had from before are the page views. So when I now create a page view, let's say from 1000 to 1005, I get, as before, a new page view that in this case just shows me the first 6 elements of the show. At the same time, when I created the page view, in the background there was created a new filter that represents the page view, so that even after I have closed the page view, this filter is still available and then I can apply it to my main page view and see only the first 6 elements. And I can of course delete the filter if I don't need it anymore. Other improvements we did was that we added the loaded column, which represents the loaded state on the output renderers. So when I, for example, initialize my show, then I see that all the loaded status bars has gone up to 100%. Another thing that has been improved is that the thumbnail column is completely sizable, so it's easier to lay out the elements in your page list. And finally, we have a little thing that we now support copy pasting of groups. So when I, for example, copy this group and then paste it, then I get the same group again, but the elements have gotten new call-up codes, so the new call-up codes are not in conflict with the existing ones. So these are the main changes in the page list in Trio. Thank you for your attention.